Hello Sewstars, today we're exploring different types of sewing needles and the machines they best suit. Let's dive in. The first on our list is the Delta Papa times 5 sewing needles, that is DP times 5. And this needle is highly suitable for industrial zigzag sewing machines like the 20U33. It can also be used for buttonholing machines like 810, 781, 811, etc. Also, this needle can be used for blackhead domestic sewing machines. Next on the list is the Delta Charlie times 1. That is DC times 1 sewing needle. Now, this needle is best suited for industrial overlock sewing machines such as the 737 and 747 series, used for high-speed overlocking to achieve professional finishings. Now we'll go on to the next, which is the Delta Bravo times 1. DB times 1 sewing needle, which is used for industrial sewing machines like the 8500 series, 8700, M2, 9900, etc. And the next sewing needle we're looking at is the Tango Quebec times 7. That is TQ times 7 sewing needle, and this needle is best suited for industrial high-speed button stitching machines, which is used for efficient button stitching for knit wears. Next, we have the Hotel Alpha times 1 sewing needle, that is HA times 1 needle, which is best suited for domestic household sewing machines like the electric tabletop sewing machines as well as the blackhead domestic sewing machine. And finally, we have the Delta Victor times 43 sewing needle, that is the DV times 43, which is best suited for industrial cover stitch interlocking machine for hemming, taping, covering and binding of knitted materials and sportswear. If you have any questions about sewing machine needles, do feel free to use the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.